Hello, here, we talk openly, compassionately, and honestly about the health issues that matter most to you. I'm truly honored to be your guide today. We're about to explore a topic that is often swept under the rug, especially for older men, but one that can deeply impact your well-being, your energy, and even your longevity. Yes. Today we're diving into the surprising health benefits of masturbation for men over 60. This is a judgment-free zone, a space for truth, science, and personal empowerment. If you've ever felt unsure, embarrassed, or even ashamed about this topic, you're not alone, but you also deserve clarity, confidence, and the freedom to thrive. So, if you're passionate about aging with strength, dignity, and vitality, please take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below about what healthy aging means to you. Your voice helps this community grow, and your health is worth talking about. Let's get started. Why this matters more than ever. As we grow older, our priorities shift. We want to feel good in our bodies. We want clear minds, strong hearts, and the ability to move through life with confidence. And while we often focus on the big three, diet, exercise, and sleep, there's one powerful, natural, and science-backed practice that's often left out of the conversation: masturbation. Yes, it's a sensitive subject, but it's also a completely normal, biological, and potentially life-enhancing part of healthy aging. Today, I'll walk you through 4 major benefits, debunk some harmful myths, share a real-life patient story, and give you practical, safe tips you can use to support your longevity. Starting today, Benefit 1, Heart Health and Blood Flow. Let's begin with your heart, the engine of your entire body. Cardiovascular disease is one of the most common concerns for men over 60. But here's what many don't realize. Sexual activity, including masturbation, supports heart health. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine followed over 900 men and found that regular sexual activity was associated with lower blood pressure and a reduced risk of heart attack. Here's why. Masturbation gently increases your heart rate, similar to light exercise. It improves circulation, helping blood move efficiently through your arteries. And during orgasm, your body releases endorphins and oxytocin, which lower cortisol, the stress hormone linked to inflammation and heart disease. So when you engage in regular, healthy sexual activity, you're not just relieving stress, you're literally nourishing your heart, one of the most loving things you can do for your body. Benefit 2, prostate protection. Next, let's talk about your prostate, that small but mighty gland sitting just below your bladder. As men age, the prostate becomes vulnerable to conditions like benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostate cancer. But here's some hopeful news. A landmark study from Harvard Medical School, published in 2016, found that men who ejaculated 21 or more times per month had a 31% lower risk of developing prostate cancer than those who ejaculated less frequently. Why? The theory is simple. Ejaculation acts like a detox for the prostate, helping to remove potentially harmful substances and reduce inflammation. Masturbation, of course, counts. It's not a cure, but it's a simple, natural way to support one of the most vulnerable organs in a man's body. Let me share a quick story. I once worked with a patient, let's call him Henry, a 9-year-old retired truck driver. He came to me after his PSA levels had slowly crept up. He was scared and frustrated. We discussed lifestyle changes, including his sexual activity, which had dropped significantly since losing his partner. After making gentle changes, including reintegrating solo sexual touch and pelvic exercises, his next blood work showed stabilized PSA levels and improved sleep. I didn't think something so simple could make such a difference, he told me, but I feel like I'm back in tune with my body again, and that's what this is about. Connection, not performance. Benefit 3, emotional and cognitive well-being. Let's be honest, aging isn't just about the body. It's about the mind and the soul, too. Masturbation can be a powerful support tool for mental health. It triggers the release of dopamine, motivation and pleasure, endorphins, natural stress relievers, and serotonin, which boosts mood and helps regulate sleep. In fact, a 2018 review published in Sexual Medicine Reviews found that older adults who maintained an active sexual life showed better cognitive function, lower depression rates, and improved emotional resilience. Feeling connected to your body at any age helps fight back against isolation, loneliness, and that nagging feeling of slowing down. You're not slowing down, you're shifting. And that shift deserves support, not silence. Benefit 4. Pelvic floor strength. You may not think about your pelvic floor, but I assure you it's thinking about you. This group of muscles controls your bladder, supports your prostate, and plays a role in sexual performance. As you age, the pelvic floor can weaken, contributing to urinary leakage, erectile dysfunction, poor bladder control. Here's the good news. Masturbation activates these muscles, giving them a low-impact workout. It's like a natural form of pelvic floor therapy, especially when combined with Kegel exercises, which I highly recommend. Try this. Contract the muscles you'd use to stop the flow of urine. Hold for 5 seconds. Release. Repeat 10 times. Do this twice daily, and over time, you'll notice better control, better confidence, and better function. Now, let's address some outdated myths that might be holding you back. Myth number 1. Masturbation is only for young people. False. Your sexual identity doesn't vanish with age, it evolves. It deserves just as much care and respect at 70 as it did at 30. Myth number 2. Masturbation causes weakness or memory loss. There's zero scientific evidence supporting this. These ideas are rooted in cultural shame, not medicine. Myth number 3. It harms relationships. Actually, when done in the context of open communication, solo activity can complement and enhance intimacy, not replace it. Practical tips for healthy sexual aging. Here are 5 ways to bring this conversation from theory to practice. Listen to your body. There's no perfect number. Once a day, once a week. Go with what feels healthy and non-compulsive for you. Create a safe space. Your environment matters. Dim lighting, calm music, a locked door. These small things help reduce anxiety and improve the experience. Use body-safe tools. Choose lubricants that are non-irritating, unscented, and designed for sensitive skin. If in doubt, ask your doctor. Pair with healthy habits. Eat prostate-friendly foods like tomatoes, walnuts, and leafy greens. Move your body. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. These all work together to keep you strong. Talk to your provider. If you notice changes in libido, erectile function, or discomfort, please don't suffer in silence. Help is out there, and solutions are often simple. A final word on shame and reclaiming your power. Here's what I want you to remember today. There is no shame in taking care of your body at any age. Masturbation isn't just a physical act. It's a declaration. A declaration that you are still here, still vibrant, still human, and worthy of pleasure, connection, and joy. I've seen patients in their 72nd and 82nd come alive again, not from medication, not from surgery, but from reclaiming a part of themselves that had been buried under guilt or silence. You deserve more than silence. You deserve wellness. Let's continue the conversation. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. If this message resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with someone you care about. The more we talk about this, the more we normalize it, and the more we help men thrive, not just survive. Tell me in the comments, what's one health topic you'd love for me to cover next? Or what's your personal tip for aging well? Your insight builds this community, and I can't wait to read your words. This is Dr. Ruth signing off with one final reminder. Your body is not past its prime. It's still your home. Love it, care for it, and let it surprise you. Stay vibrant, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next.